Classroom rules. Listen carefully. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Listen like others are speaking.
So, can we apply these rules today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I want everyone to cooperate and give 100% energy to our class. Are we clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have an activity first. But now, I will group you into two groups. This side will be the group 1 and this side will be the group 2. First, I want you to read the instruction first. Direction.
Find a hidden word. Each circle represents a letter. If the letter is inside a green circle, it is in the right spot. If the letter is inside a green circle, it is in the wrong spot. So you must arrange the green circle and put it in the right placement.
So, group 1. So, I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. You may start now. Left, please.
Live patapot. Gaming familiar.
Okay. So now, class, what comes in your mind when you hear the word train? Anyone? Justine?
My name is Yao. I heard that word training is you are practicing or you are exercising.
Okay. What else? Larry?
For me, mom, the word training is that it is something that you apply like a routine. That's what
Okay, so how about the word spot? What comes in your mind when you hear the word spot? Enough? Anyone? Debbie? And one more? Larry?
Response mom is that it is an action or behavior that is done to record or in record.
Very good. So, based on our activity, what could be our topic today?
Based on the activity, I think the title of our topic for today or our lesson for today is all about training and responsibility.
Another? A, yeah?
Aerobic training is a training that a person should exert force and energy in order to execute that kind of activity.
Aerobic training exercise that improves cardiovascular neurons and exert oxygen. For example, by running on the swimming.
Okay, very good. Now that we know what is aerobic training is, let us discuss what is the first factor affecting the aerobic training response, which is the initial fitness level. When we say initial fitness level, what does it mean? Has any of you has any idea? Strength?
Initial, the word initial, I think it is the level of your fitness, your fitness level of, I guess, your plan or it is your plan on how you're going to have an increased level of your training or exercise. For example, Monday you are exercising a simple movement, then second day is nagpa-harder siya.
I think on the initial fitness level, it is like it is the basic foundation of fitness level.
You are correct. So, initial fitness level is starting physical condition of an individual before the aerobic training. So, let's go with the key points. So, please read the first key point, Debbie. being heard from our parents to help us perform better when it comes to dangerous activities. So, some individuals are not supposed to be here to help performance with the grades. So, ang mga individuals dito, mag-bless silang genetics na kung malabaw din dito ang ilang skills sa buka, may manaba tapos next is the age and gender. Please read the age and people and explain why.
Age younger individuals and have mastered due to higher physiological plasticity. So when we talk about age, it's how the person grow in how the person grow in a way how the person grow.
So, yes, young individuals and the faster because of the physiological plasticity. So, okay, young pa man sila, mas naglaro dito. Then when it comes to please read and explain why.
Gender generally have higher molecule oxygen max levels due to their alcohol content. So maybe even men is higher than the women because they have a greater muscle mass and I think this it's not all about all the gender but also the difference between physical aspect when it comes to gender.
Good. Now, when it comes to women, syempre, given naman yun na kita ka ng body, kita ka ng physical strong. Dapat sa may mga unang sa training exercise para kami improve. So, with training exercise, syempre, makakagod ng mga mabuhat ko na ito ang dalawang buhay. That's all. Keep all always alala to not consider others.
Okay? Next is training disability. Please read, illustrate and explain.
This idea, the idea that the value is fast, physical activity, with a specific type of activity. So, if a person have or engage in an activity where he or she has a specific activity that yang di-aim or goal, so panalitan ang iyang goal is maniwang siya. So, na siya specific na buhaton para maniwang siya. So, prepare siya, di siya mukha. Pero, mahala ka, magpasimot lang ulit, maniwang. So, wala kayo specific na nakabato. So, dapat na kayo ko, nakilay specific na kayo kapag.
Okay, very good. And next is environmental factor. Rio rather, please read and explain.
Like altitude, the temperature, and humidity that affect higher body oxygen, how will we perform? So, days and so that's like that's true. How will we perform? So when we're having exercise, our body our body affects to it because of the training we did.
So, what else?
So in addition, environmental factors that can affect when it comes to the body sa tao na training. For example, nag-training siya sa field, niya kay kuan ang field kay kuan na kay ulan tayo, hindi siya ka-training kay siyempre ang environment hindi mo siya safe sa bakay, hindi ko siya makakuha siya maka-give siya ang dapat sa interview siya kay para makapasag-thread. And then, isa pa kung paano mag-go na ka sa gawa sa field, pinag-gear in environment, safe and sound.
Very good. And now I will become our teacher. So class, who is excited for another activity? What about you, Ashley? There. You ready? So, okay, very good. So I will be dividing the class into three groups. This will be the group 1, and this will be the group 2. Each group will perform a 1 to 2 minutes dance routine that incorporates a variety of movements. So, what we have here is the criteria for your performance. Please kindly read everyone.
Criteria. 50%.
Again.
Criteria. Creativity, 50%. Tolerate evidence, drifting,
Does it where the weakness that shows the fitness level?
Presentation 30%. How clearly and confidently did the group present the exercise? Did they perform the class? Collaboration 20%. How well did the group work together? With example of contribute to the exercise design and presentation. With a total of 100%.
Thank you. I will give you 5 minutes to prepare for your performance and your timer starts routine, dance routine. Okay, wala na dito ba?
Maalala mo, kinanhan, ay magbita, cross party, at tapos manabigo, dito pa. Then, matapos pa ito ba sunod sa kanila, mga 1, kung mapakang 8 of 1, 2, ready, go. Hindi mo pa, bakla! 1, 2, ready, go. Sabat ko kayo. One, two, ready, go. 1, 2,
Let's go, dog. Group, go.
Giling at giling sa mga baso sa tutugin. Tao na ang puso, binigay mo na ng todo. Ay walang pagkirang ang pulo na kanilang.
Listen. I'm loving the energy. I think you all showed a great performance. The creativity is there, and also the presentation is very, very good. And the collaboration, I mean, how do you feel about your performance? Aside from that, enjoy. Very good. So I think both group 1 and group 2 is making a very great performance. So your points will be 100 points. So let's proceed. Let's please sum up what we have discussed a while ago. So, which is the factors affecting aerobic training response. So, again, what are those factors? Sorry, give me one. Very good, it's correct. Ashley?
Age and gender.
Correct. Thank you. Is good.
Genetic factor.
Okay, thank you. Can you give me at least 3 factors? And explain one of those factors? Go on. Okay, I will not ask that question. So, do you have any questions? Okay, let's ask how it is. Time stop. The class answer. Please change your papers to your okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer for number 1 is letter A. Number 2 is B. Number 3 is D. Number 4 is B. Okay na? Number 5 is B. Okay. Number 6, what do you think?
Apple.
Very good. So number 7.
Boy.
No, it's letter A.
Lima.
B.
Letter C.
Lima. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Really sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Answer is B. 9.
Very good.
Okay, letter B. Last number.
Letter B.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
100%?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the answer is letter B. Okay, is that perfect? Is that perfect? Perfect. Okay, please pass your page first and second. And for your assignment, please read after.
Create your own routine exercise plan and explain why you choose and create this specific plan.
Okay, you can take a picture if you want to. Done? Are you done?